Hi, this is Dave with Customer Dynamics. Today I'm going to talk about importing data into CRM. There's a few different ways to import data. The best way is to use a template, and oftentimes you'll want to just import a large amount of data from an Excel file, and this is how you would do that. There are two different places where you can go to download an import template. First, if you go to a record that you'd like to import the data for, say contacts, you'll see an option to download the template for import. I'm not going to do this yet. I'm going to show you the second place where you can download the templates. If you go through the settings area and go to data management, you'll see an option for templates for data import. This is helpful if you need to download multiple templates. In this case, let's select the contact and download. It's best to save the template and not just open it, so we'll go ahead and save this. And you may notice if you've saved it through Internet Explorer, when you try to open the file, it'll open up this XML page in the browser. So what you may need to do is open up Excel, open up a blank worksheet, and you can simply drag and drop that file into Excel, and we're set. Now you'll notice that we have columns for all the data here. And you can simply enter in that data. And you'll notice that it gives you tips here. So, for example, with this company, it's a lookup, and so the company name record must already exist in accounts or contacts. And so my sample company isn't in the system already, and so that's giving me a little bit of a warning. So pay attention to those screen tips. I won't go through all the columns, but I'll go ahead and save this. You'll notice that it gives you an alert. Just click yes, and you can close your file. To import the data, you can go to the imports under data management, choose to import data, and you'll just find the file that you just saved. You'll notice that as you step through the import data wizard, because you're using the template, it knows that you're looking to import a contact. It'll ask if you want to allow duplicates, who you want the owner of the records to be, and simply click submit. And it'll tell you that your data is importing. You can either click here to go to the imports page. I'm actually already there, so it'll just refresh the page. And you can refresh this view to see if you have any successes or any failures. So you'll notice my status reason is transforming, and we've completed and everything's successful. Now let me just take a moment and show you what some errors look like. In this case, we received multiple errors in a previous contacts import. If we double click, we can open it up, and on the left hand side choose failures, and you'll see that there was a failure because the record wasn't created because there was a duplicate. You'll also see a common type of error you'll see here is if the lookup in your spreadsheet can get resolved with any sort of record. So today we talked about importing. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks.